Good night, guys. Well, good morning. Dre, Forex King coming at you guys with another video. So this is going to be a heartfelt video and a quick review of my trading results for technically yesterday, Friday, June 13th. So real quickly, if you're new to my videos, you notice the last few videos that I've been putting up have no thumbnail, no type of clickbait, no major title. That's really the concept I've been going through, that I've been using the last couple of videos. I just want to give you guys straight content, no clickbait, no fancy thumbnails. I just want to give you guys valuable information. So right into it. So if you didn't catch my last video I think was a banger because man, the trading day for Friday was absolutely phenomenal. I mean I had a great turnout. Um, so quickly, what's the best way to do it? This way. No, this way. Plain. So, I mean, I scalped this market non-stop, continuously all day today. Um, Man, you can see where we're at here. Got in for sales. Got in for sales. Got in. I saw it hit this market, rode it up, hit this market, took it down. Now, um, when I initially looked at this market, I was expecting it to keep going down, but I saw this level. After I saw this candle here, it was enough for me to get out, and honestly, I just didn't want to chance it. Um, and honestly, the last video that I recorded, I think I went over that a lot more. So just to not be redundant, I would just say go watch it. I think it was a longer video, probably about like 30 minutes, but it's because I wait for the candles to close, number one, and then number two, I think actually I'm confident that you guys were with me during pretty much this entire run. So you guys watched every candle, and you watched all my emotions, and you watched me decide whether I should stay, whether I should quit. You literally just watched the entire trade and how I had a pretty decent day. The P&L for the day was just just over $100 for the 13th. One, two, three, four, five. This was the banger. This was that buy. Did you see that banger? You see, I had a couple sales, and then had one last sale. Now that last sell here, I wasn't sure about it, and then when I went in, I said, "Man, this thing might really tank just based on my strategy and the rules that I have." I got out because of this large candle, and I said, "You know what? I had a great day. No need to force anything. I don't need to force, especially with the momentum." I got out here, closed my laptop, and I went on with my day. That was probably close to like 1 o'clock. Um, but I know I stopped the video on this candle. But after I got out, I was still watching the market, and I went in, and man, this thing tanked. This thing absolutely tanked. Now, under normal circumstances, it's easy to have fear of FOMO. Like, man, I missed out, but truthfully, I didn't miss out on anything. I followed my plans. I followed my disciplines. I stayed true to everything. I quit. I got out because, man, I was trading for a long time, and then I understood trading fatigue, and there's no need to force it. I got in, made decent money, and got out. I mean, I'm looking at my numbers. Friday made $100, $100 in a day. It's a great day. These are the numbers for the week, and this is why I don't have FOMO, which is why I'm okay with what happened. Two reasons. One, these are my weekly numbers. They are absolutely phenomenal. Like, I'm proud of myself, to be very honest. Number one. Number two, I'm no longer in drawdown. I think I mentioned in multiple videos that this is an instant funding account. I bought a $5,000 account. Now, when I started actually recording all of my trades the beginning of June, when I was on brink of breaching the account, that's how low it was. Like, you can look, beginning of June, you can see end of May here, right? June, you can see on the screen. I'll point, but you probably won't see. Well, yeah, I could point, but you're not gonna see the screen. You can see how close I was to really breaching this, account, losing the account again. So it took a lot of mental to man wake up, and that's why I started recording. I started recording not because I want to be a guru. I started recording literally for me. because honestly, I started playing the art of war against myself. I'm extremely competitive and I'm very prideful. And I said to myself, you know what, enough is enough. I'm tired of losing. I know I'm a great trader. I've shown it before. I've gotten payouts. This has to stop now. I got the idea to record and put it on YouTube, and I said, all right, if I'm going to do this, because of my competitive nature and my prideful nature, I said, I either get disciplined, get myself together, or I'm going to look like a fool in front of everyone who watches my video on YouTube. And I just absolutely refuse to do that. So I said, I either get disciplined or look silly and look stupid. So that was really the turning point. And that's what trading will do for you. Trading is really going to expose all of your weaknesses, and really you're going to have to do that shadow work and find out those gaps, and really do the internal work so that way you can become the best version of yourself. And as you become the best version of yourself, the trading is directly going to reflect it. How many times, whether you're a beginner trader, you're professional, you take a loss and you say, man, had I been disciplined, or had I just not break this rule, or had I, it's something that resulted in you not following the disciplines and your plan. Had you just stuck to your disciplines and your plan, you would have drastically decreased the odds of you losing. Now, nothing is 100%. We know that. But if you have a proven strategy where you have an edge in the market, you know that more often than not, if you follow the discipline, you win. If you're still searching for a strategy, man, keep searching, don't quit. But for those of you who are in the markets, you found a strategy, but you're battling with discipline, or some of the personal issues, man, fix it. It's time. I told you guys when I started recording it, started recording my trades at the beginning of June. This is my come out month. Enough is enough. I'm tired of losing. I'm going to turn up. It's time to win. I just had that kind of faith in myself, and I just didn't want to look like a fool in front of everyone in YouTube too. So that's why I'm recording. Like, I mean, it's 4:30 in the morning, Saturday morning. I went out salsa dancing just for extra information. But I came home and I said, you know, let me just record this video, give a quick summary of how the day went, and then be done with it. And these are the small things that a lot of the gurus and the professional people won't tell you. It's this these are the small things that's going to really make you into a better trader. Taking the time to look at the notes, look at your history, look at the charts, see what you did right, what you did wrong, how you could have been better, what your mindset, and just review things. And this is how you really build the reps and become the better trader that you're aspiring to be. That's it. If you're watching my channel, man, don't quit. That's really the end of my heartfelt message. I'm not going to draw it out long. I mean, if you're watching my channel, I know I only have 4 subscribers. I may not have the lavish things that everyone else has yet. But believe me when I tell you, I'm going to win. And when I'm here a year from now, 2 years from now, if you're here watching this video for the first time, June 14th or June 15th, whenever you watch this in 2025, remember I told you, I'm not going anywhere. People are going to know my name. Believe me. And again, it's really about me because I'm tired of losing. So I just hope that I can help encourage anyone who's in their journey. If you're still learning, you're still curious about the industry, man, the industry works. You're watching somebody who's going through the journey as you. Don't quit. It's really just that simple. If you're going to quit, stop watching my videos. Like, I'm going to get real serious. I'm going to get real intentional with my messages because I'm going to win. And mark my words, by the end of this year, I'm going to be a monster. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to be a millionaire, but I'm going to make this the beginning of my best year yet. We're in June. If you guys said you're going to trade or whatever your goals were for trading, go back, revise them, revisit them, whatever you need to do in terms of reviewing, review it, get back on track, and let's knock out the last part of this year out. We got 2 more quarters left. It's time to win. That's really my message. If you haven't seen my video on the trade, I know it's a little long. It's about 30 minutes. If you watch the entire video, I appreciate you, but it's strictly because I'm on a 5 minute time frame, and you're literally watching me trade the entire time. You're watching me, every emotion, every candle, and then I got out this candle, and that was it. So, and that's usually why my videos might go long, because I'm literally trading live more often than not, and I'm waiting for the candles to close, and you literally hear me talk to myself, right? So that's it. I have nothing else fancy. It's not glamorous. It's, yo, let's win. If you're losing, get disciplined. You're watching me expose myself. So if me exposing myself encourages you, well, turn up. I'm going to keep going because I expect to win. I guarantee I'm going to win. That's just what it is, you know? So, man, put in the reps. Don't be afraid of the work, because it's going to come back in leaps and bounds. You dig? But that's all I got for you, man. I appreciate you guys for watching my video. If you want to watch the last video where you watched me trade and how I had a pretty big day since I started recording. It's not my biggest day ever. Don't get it twisted. But it's my biggest day since I started recording and putting on YouTube. And the best is yet to come. But again, appreciate you guys. I'm going to review my stats a little bit more. Tune out. I'm going to lock off the charts for the rest of this weekend, then come back Sunday night, Monday morning, ready to attack again and ready to end this month strong. But other than that, enjoy your weekend. I appreciate you guys. Forex King out.